Welcome to the support video for Android. I'm going to show you how to buy and set up your new wireless MIDI controller. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go onto the website and you're going to want to purchase the wireless MIDI controller for Android. So you can go to any of the buy now buttons and click on the scroll and then select it for the wireless Android device. You're going to hit buy now. You are going to be prompted to put in your information, and once you go ahead and do that and your payment has been processed on my end, you will receive a notification from Google that will tell you the username and password to be able to access the download portion of our site. So you're going to hit the back button and then we're going to go to the download portion of the site. Download for Droid. So you're going to put in the username and password that you've been supplied, and then you have the opportunity to download the zip file right here. So it says download here at Android. You're going to click on that. When you do that, just press OK. And now we have the zip file right here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to hit the support page right here. Alrighty, there's going to be some additional downloads that you're going to have to do so that you can set up and run smoothly. And you're going to want to go to the Android market. Once you get to the Android market, you're going to want to search for Touch OSC. Once you have found that application, it is free, which is nice because on the Apple version it costs $5, but in the Android market it's free. You're going to hit download. And then you're going to wait for it to download. So now you're going to come back to basically my site, and then you are going to hit Oscillator download. And so you're going to hit this, and then this site will come up. Just like this. You're going to go ahead and press Save File. Alrighty, now that you're downloading that, you can go back to my site, and then you're going to want to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of Cuelux or Emulation. And you can go to their sites here. You just click on that link, and it'll take you to their site. Now on this site, you are going to be able to download the Mac version of Emulation right here. You're going to click on that, and it'll allow you to download that. Go ahead and navigate back to my site. Okay, great. We are almost there. There's only a few things that you have to do from this point on. The first thing is you're going to open up the Android zip. Once you open up the Android zip, you're going to see that there are about 4 files in there. In the Android zip, you are going to see basically right now the oscillator file. You're going to see the layouts in which that I drew up so that you'll know how to use your MIDI controller. So first things first, so you're going to want to pull up the layouts for the Android build. Just like this. Now, if you have downloaded Oscillator by now, you'll also want to run that software script and then open the application. And if you have done that, then you now can open up the Android build. Once you open up your Android build, you will be able to now see the MIDI map profile that you'll use to control Emulation or Cuelux with your Android device. Now, I want you to leave these layouts open because these layouts are basically going to let you know how you're going to use your Android device to control Emulation or Cuelux until we're able to get custom layouts on the Android. And that's a lot of the reason why the Android version is $20 less, is because you're going to have to work around one of the default layouts called Beat Machine already installed on Touch OSC. And basically, these are the controls for them. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network as your Android device. So you're going to want to go up to Airport, and check to see what network you're on. And then you're going to go into the settings of your Android. You're going to click on Wi-Fi. You're going to make sure that you're on the same network that you're on your computer. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Parameters right here, and then you're going to want to select your device, Android Touch OSC, and hit Close. Now we're almost done. The last thing that we're going to have to do is open up Emulation. So we're going to open up Emulation at this point. Okay, great. Now that Emulation is open, we're going to go to the Options button right here. We're going to hit Options. More than likely you'll be on General, so you'll want to scroll down to MIDI. And then you're going to make sure that you're on Oscillator Out and Oscillator In 8000, which is the port that Oscillator uses to communicate with Emulation. If you're not, hit the refresh button and then these will more than likely pop up. Last but not least, you'll want to make sure you're on Emulation Midi Con, and then once you do that, you are all ready to go. You'll be able to now control Emulation or Cuelux with your Android device. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at help@wirelessmidicontroller.com. Thank you and have a great day.